Good morning. Myself Shiny. Today I am going to explain on the topic accuracy and errors in measurement. First, I would like to explain on the topic errors. What is errors? Errors means errors in measurement. Errors in measurement means, for example, I am measuring this blackboard distance. Okay. Then I got that value is 100 centimeter. Again one more person is coming. They are measuring again. This is 100.1 centimeter. Again one more person is coming. Same blackboard they are also measuring. Then they got 100.2 centimeter. Okay. Then here just assume this is correct value 100 centimeter. Then what is errors? First case errors means 0.1 centimeter. Second case errors means 0.2 centimeter. Actually two terms are there. First is errors, second one is measurement. Measurement is the foundation of experimental techniques and procedures. Then errors in measurement means this is actually true value, actual value of the quantity, correct value of the quantity. That we can say that it is a true value. The difference between this true value and individual measured value. Those who measured, we can consider the second and third. This is correct value. Difference between these two values, that means true value and individual measured value. This difference we can say that errors in measurement. In your NCERT textbook, first they have given these three types. After that main types they have given. First is instrumental errors. Errors type first is instrumental errors. What is instrumental error? Maybe sometime instrument having some errors, not correct. Instrument making some problem. Okay, that is not correct. Maybe some value is 0.1, 0.2 difference we can see. That is instrumental errors. Second one, imperfection in experimental techniques and procedure. Imperfection in experimental techniques or procedure. For example, we are using measuring high fever, we are using thermometer. Okay, temperature. Thermometer means it is used to measure that temperature. Our body temperature we can measure. Okay, according to fever we will get that. Thermometer shows that readings. But this thermometer, it will affect some external factors. If you are keeping here thermometer, this thermometer outside temperature is more, it will affect. Humidity is more, it will affect. That is only second, imperfection in experimental techniques or procedure. Second one. Third one is personal error. We are making some errors. That is personal error. For example, in measuring this blackboard, person got 100.1. 0.1 is errors. That is personal errors. Okay. Then our textbook main type errors. This is very very important. First one is random error. Second one is absolute error. Third one is mean absolute error. Fourth is relative error. Last is percentage error. Okay. First one is random error. Random error is the error caused by the individual who measure the quantity. Random error means it is a type of error. Random error is an error caused by an individual who measure the quantity. is an error caused by the individual who measure the quantity. Okay. For example, we are making the same blackboard example 100.1. Second case 100.2. Third case, one more person is measuring, we will get maybe 99, otherwise we can take one more 100.3. This is random error. We can use, this is X mean. X mean. Then how to calculate this? Three values, those who measured. Individual measured value 100.1 plus 100.2 plus 100.3 plus divided by how many values? 3 values divided by 3. Okay. First case we can use, this is x1, this is x2, third case x3. Then how many values we are taking? We will get x mean. Actually, x mean is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus etc. plus xn divided by n. Random error is the error caused by the individual who measure the quantity. Okay, we can calculate this. X mean we will get. This is actually near to our true value. We are considering that true value. X mean. Next one is absolute error. It is the magnitude of the difference between true value and individual measured value. Difference between true value and individual measured value. We can write like this. First one, delta x1. That is this x mean. Which value we got? That is x mean. Minus x1. x1 which value? 100.1. This is final answer minus first one. This is delta x. Similarly, we can calculate delta x2. X mean minus x2. Similarly, we can up to n values delta xn we can calculate x mean minus x. How many readings we are taking? 5 means up to 5. N means 5 we can calculate. That's the second step. Difference we are calculating. Then third one, mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. Mean means arithmetic mean of absolute errors. Arithmetic mean absolute error means arithmetic mean of absolute errors. How to calculate? We can calculate delta x mean bar. We can represent delta x mean bar. Mean absolute error, it is denoted by delta x mean bar. Delta x mean bar is equal to mean of this. First which one? Magnitude of delta x1 plus delta x2, then plus delta x3 divided by 3 means 3 divided by n. We can calculate delta x1. Why we are using this magnitude? Maybe we will get to minus negative side. Our true value maybe it is less value, this measured value it is high. That time we will get negative side. In this case, mean absolute error we can calculate, we can avoid this negative side. Delta x1 plus delta x2 plus delta x3 plus etc. plus delta xn divided by n. If you are taking 3 value, 3 divided by 3. If you are taking 5 value, divided by 5. Okay? Mean of that. The next one is relative error. Relative error means it is the ratio of It is the ratio of mean absolute error. Okay, we can use delta. This is delta. Delta x mean equal to, it is the ratio of mean absolute error. Mean absolute error denoted by delta x mean bar divided by true value, which one? X mean. We can calculate this from first. Just divided by this 2, we will get delta x mean, that is relative. Then last case is percentage error. How to calculate percentage? This answer into, that means percentage error is equal to percentage error equal to delta x mean bar divided by x mean into 100. This is percentage. Like this, we can calculate this errors. Very important. NCERT textbook, they have given 1 or 2 numericals. First one is random error. Second one is absolute error. Third one is mean absolute error. Fourth is relative error. Fifth last is percentage. Then what is accuracy? Accuracy means, for example, correct value is 100. Measured value is 100.1. Third one is 100.3. Which one more accurate? 100.1 is accurate. Which one is near to that true value, that we can say that accuracy is more. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topics units.